So you have a set of wall pastel at your home and you always watch videos on YouTube how to draw with all pastels. But whenever you try to draw it at home, it turns into something like this. Hello everyone, this is ISTIAK and today I am going to show you 3 simple steps to blend all pastels. Okay, so step number 1 is how you hold the colors. Like, we hold the color like this most often, like a pencil, and this is what you get. And I've seen some people hold the color like this very softly, and this is what you get. But I like to hold the colors like this, in the middle of 2 fingers here, and this is what you get. So you can see the difference between this one, and this one. So always hold the color like this and you get better result. Now the step 2 is choosing the right colors. Like, you have to choose a dark color first and a light color, and you have to always start with the dark one and then the light one. Like, I'm using a Prussian blue first, and then I'll use a light color. This is pale blue, and you have to scribble on the Prussian blue to blend the colors. As you can see, this is very easy to blend like this. Now if you want to use some other colors, like I want to use red, so I'm using a crimson and a yellow orange, so I'll do the same. I'll start with the dark color first and then apply the light color. And as you can see, this is very easy to blend like this. But what if you want to start with the light color and then use the dark color? So let's use some other colors. I want to use green. This is yellow green, and I want a dark color. This is deep green. So I'll start with the light color first, and now the dark color. Now as you can see, this is not blending. I'm trying, but this is not blending properly. But if I start with the dark color first and then apply the light color, this is very easy to blend. So always start with the dark color first and then use the light colors. So step number 3 is the pressure. You have to understand the pressure. If you press very softly, then it will turn something into like this. There will be so many white gaps in between, and if you press too hard, then you will end up breaking the colors. So you have to understand the pressure. It should not be very soft and not very hard. So let's see what will happen if we follow all these 3 steps. It doesn't matter what color you use, always keep in your mind you have to start with the dark color and then the light color. Like in this painting, I'm starting with Prussian blue, then I'm using crimson, which is lighter than Prussian blue, then I use purple, which is lighter than crimson, then rose madder, which is lighter than purple, and so on.
So that's how you can blend oil pastels. It doesn't matter you have a cheap oil pastel or an expensive one, a new one or an old one. Just follow these 3 steps and you'll be able to blend it, no problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so that I can understand that it's really helping you, and by this I can make some more videos for you in the next day. And yes, comment what you want me to do in the next video. And if you're new to my channel, do subscribe.